Good morning, campers. Welcome back. Today we're just down the River Idle between West Stockwith and Misterton. See that chimney in the background there? That's Misterton Pump House even. This guy chilling. We've just been looking at some fish, haven't we? We've got some steaks in the bag, some brews. Well, brews for me. We've got Tango Boy. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. So we're gonna get set up. Have something to eat. Hope you enjoy this one. Thank you for watching. Peace. One rare steak for sir. Very good, yeah? Nice.
Chewy.
So today we've got a Nescafe 3-in-1. Extra coffee or something. Extra creamy, something like that. So I'm guessing it's more like a latte. Let's give it a go. I've done a coffee review for a while. Nice. Nice frothy top on. Give that a blast in a minute, let it cool down. The old taste test. Nice. Nice. Very juicy. Very thick as well, that bit is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Not the best one I've had though, must admit. Good 9 out of 10, solid, easy. Easy. Nice. Nice. Winning. Just evenings like this, a couple of hours outside in the sunshine, in the fresh air, just wonders for you. Better than being sat at home watching TV or playing the Xbox or whatever. Much better. So, taste test, guys. Yeah, not much coffee in that at all. It's all creamer and that, tastes like biscuits. Probably a bit like Horlicks or something. Be alright before bed. Not to start the morning though, not a chance. That's a straight 6 up. Boom. Heard it here first, 6. Thank you for watching. Look at that beat. Huge. There you go, guys. All packed up. On the way back to the car now. Leave no trace as always. There's a gentleman that's turned up that's fishing, so didn't want to record. But yeah, great spot. I'm chatting to him, so it's good here all the time, hardly anyone comes. Night time's cool as well. Bit of a train a couple of miles away. A little bit loud, but not too bad. So all in all, not a bad little spot that. There we are, guys. We're nearly back at the car now. Just wanted to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the short video. Until next time, peace out. Peace.